Mk2!
During the visit of Prime Minister Modi to Paris, France is expected to invite India to join the NGF 6th generation fighter jet program that is being developed by France's Dassault Aviation in collaboration with Germany and Spain. Dassault Aviation has assured current Rafale operators including India that it will continue to provide service and spare support for the fleet until 2070. France has offered the Rafale F4.1 standard under the 114 MRFA program to the Indian Air Force, while France will upgrade all in-service Rafale aircraft in the French Air Force to the F4.2 standard by 2030, while the Rafale F5 standard will start induction from 2030 onwards, and will remain in production until 2040, and will be available for export to current Rafale operators before production ceases, before the production line shifts to the new generation fighter. Alpha Defense has reported that the DRDO and Indian Air Force has completed development-cum-user testing of the Astra Mk2 missile, and it will enter limited series production very soon. The DRDO has transferred the technology of Astra Mk2 missile to Bharat Electronics Limited, who will work alongside Bharat Dynamics Limited to produce the missile. The Astra Mk2 missile has the same length of Astra Mk1 but has a slightly larger diameter of 190 mm as compared to the 178 mm of Astra Mk1, that allows it to carry more fuel for longer range. The Astra Mk2 features a new indigenous AESA seeker, an optical proximity fuse, and a two-way data link, which means that the missile can communicate with the launch aircraft, enabling it to receive targeting information and course corrections. Mazagon Dock Shipbuilders has announced that the INS Imphal, third guided missile destroyer built under Project 15B for the Indian Navy, undertook its maiden sea sortie. That marks the commencement of sea trials, and it will be ready for commissioning by end of this year. The Indian Navy has already commissioned the first two P-15B destroyers, while the fourth and the last ship of the class INS Shirat is expected to be inducted in 2024. India and France are conducting in-depth brainstorming on cooperation for nuclear attack submarine program, and Indian and French Defence Ministry officials discussed the possibility of French involvement in India's nuclear attack submarine program as technical consultants, as well as integration of French-developed non-nuclear technologies such as pump jet propulsion. India plans to develop 3 nuclear attack submarines, and the Navy also aims to incorporate the pump jet propulsion technology into its conventional diesel submarine program, under which it aims to locally develop 12 submarines in the country. Bharat Dynamics Limited and Dassault Aviation had signed a Memorandum of Understanding in October 2022 to integrate Indian-made weapons systems on the Rafale fighter jet, but there has been little progress in integrating the Astra air-to-air missile into the Indian Rafale fighter jets. The negotiation is yet to begin, and Dassault Aviation needs to be subcontracted to work on the program, as Dassault holds the software source codes of the AESA radar that is necessary for the Astra missile to work with the French RBE-2 radar. India also plans to equip the Meteor missile on the Tejas Mk2 first, followed with upgraded UTAM radar-equipped Tejas Mk1A fighter jets.
Omar dropped it.